Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows cannot find uninstall.exe on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for Registry Editor. After that, run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then after that, in this part, what we're going to do is to click on HK local machine, and then we're going to click on software, and then just scroll down and then look for this file. After that, click on the drop down button, and then in this part, just scroll down and then look for Microsoft. So open it, and then in this part, just scroll down once again, and then look for Windows, and then open it. And then after that, just scroll down once again, and then look for current version, and then just look for uninstall. So just scroll down right here and then look for uninstall. And then once you find it, just open it once again. And then in this part, just look for the game or program that you want to uninstall. So in this part, you can maybe see it right here. So just look for the folder. So let's say, for example, that we want to delete Google Chrome right here. So just click on it and then just look for the Google Chrome display name. So once you find that this is inside this folder, so what we're going to do is to just right click on it, and then we're going to click on delete. And then after that, we're going to click on yes. Once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.